There was definitely a couple things that they were a little bit nervous about. We had the hurdle set up, crawling through the mud. They weren't too excited about that at first. There was allegedly there were some spiders down there in the mud. They were a little worried about that, but I think once they got through it a couple of times, they actually enjoyed it. And, they actually asked if they could do it again sometime. So, same with when we worked with the ROTC. I mean, I think they were. I didn't tell them at all what we were doing. Just told them they had to wear pants and long sleeves. I said, meet here at 1 o'clock or whatever. And they were asking all sorts of questions. What are we going to do? I just said, you'll find out. You'll find out. And then we went over to the ROTC across campus. And, I said, all right, wait here. I'm going to go inside. I'll be back out. But once they got into it, and they really enjoyed it. And I thought that was one of the best things we did. So when you can get outside and do kind of an obstacle course or something like that. I mean, it's a little bit different, a little less monotonous, a little more challenging. I think they've enjoyed it. I think I'm kind of a big fan of switching up, trying to keep things fresh. I mean, because I know if I'm bored with something as a strength coach, that the athletes were bored a long time ago. Not that they have to enjoy every single workout, but it helps. It helps if they enjoy some of it, coming in here and getting after it. So, in the past when I worked, football, my first position as an intern was strictly football at Iowa State, and they had sometimes 5 lifting groups a day. Because 125 guys on the team, and you got 5 groups of 25. You're literally, for an hour and a half, 5 times in a row, seeing the same workout, and it gets kind of boring. For me, I mean, I enjoyed, switching up. I enjoy having basketball too, where it's a smaller team where you have a lot more freedom to pretty much do whatever you want to do. Instead of having football with 125 guys, when you have 10 to 12 girls, I mean, you can pretty much do whatever you want to do. So.